Hello, namaste, welcome to Bree Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. Or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for supporting me, for liking my content. Thank you so very much for. So in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. So today's speaker card reading is about urgent messages from Kali Ma. Okay, so that is going to be the reading for today. So I have three groups over here. For group number 1, this is the card for group number 1. For group number 2, this is the card. And for group number 3, this is the card. So close your eyes, relax, connect with yourself, connect with your intuition, and then select a pile that calls to your heart. Okay, just trust your heart in this, trust your intuition. Okay, and remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And these are timeless readings, so whenever you watch this video is for you. Okay, so the timestamps will be listed in the description box. If you want more time, please pause the video and then select your pile. So I'm gonna go with group number 1. My lovelies, hello group 1. If you chose this Dhumavati, then this is your reading. Let's see what is your messages from Kali Ma. What are the urgent messages? We have this number 22, maybe your master number 22, or maybe life path number 2 or something like that. Maybe 2 number is very important for you guys, and 2 number is all about balance, and 22 number is also an angel number, right? So angels are protecting you, they are guiding you. Yeah, I feel like you have gone through a major ending for some of you, and this ending has taken a toll on you. It's difficult, and here Dhumavati is like helping you with this ending. She is telling you to be strong, because after this ending, a new cycle is beginning for you guys, a new hope. So keep that hope. You need to have like unconditional hope right now, unconditional trust right now, and think and believe that everything will be all right, and that a new start is going to come. Okay, for some of you, I even feel like maybe you have lost someone, and because of that you are struggling a lot right now. But remember, you will be able to heal this also. Yeah, and remember, life is a cycle. There will be, yeah, life is a cycle. If there is a beginning, there is an ending, and if there is an ending, there is a beginning, right? For you guys, yeah, you will overcome this period, you will overcome this struggle. Okay, remember that is what Kali Ma is here to tell you today. And for some of you, your sacral chakra, you need to work on your sacral chakra. Maybe you are trying to conceive and you are stressing a lot, so at this time also it's time to have unconditional faith. Okay, I'm hearing uterus. For some of you, maybe something related to uterus, you have problem. Take care of yourself. Okay, everything will be okay. Have unconditional trust. If you want to consult a doctor, go ahead and do that. Okay, and with this orange, look at the orange color. Black is about protection, isn't it? So yeah, wherever you are in your life right now, whatever struggle you're facing, remember, you will be protected, you will be taken care of. All you need to have is unconditional trust in her. Okay, and we have this orange color. So for many of you, you have like good ideas, good inspiration. So for some of you, maybe your ideas are not so appreciated by other people, maybe your work is not recognized by other people. So you are feeling, sometimes we feel like, oh, we have been working so hard but no one is recognizing my work. Maybe you are writers, maybe you are poets, maybe you tell stories, maybe your work is not being so recognized, and you feel like, why my work is not recognized, why I am not thriving. You know, you see people around you who are doing and they are thriving, and you are not getting where you want to get. So maybe you have that feeling. So remember to have unconditional trust right now. Your ideas will be recognized. That is also, I feel like. Okay, and again, we have this card of pagan poetry with this 52 number, and it's the number 7, right? The number 7 is also a very spiritual number, right? So you are, I feel this pile is like, for some of you, I even feel like that you are going to help other people in their difficulty through your poems, through your stories. So even if you're doing some, even if you have 50 followers, even if 2 people are seeing your things, right? you are helping at least 2 people, right? Think like that. So that is the one thing I am feeling here for you guys. Like Kalima is saying here, whatever work you're doing, whatever you're giving to the society, even if you're mother, if you are taking care of your children, you're doing good, right? Remember that. Don't sometimes we are not, sometimes we are not proud of ourselves. So here Kalima is saying, whatever small thing you're doing to the society, whatever small, if you're making food for someone, you're doing a good thing, you're giving them food, you're spending your time to cook for them and give them food. So be proud of yourself. Don't sell yourself short. Whatever you're doing, you're doing good. I feel like someone needs that reassurance here. You're feeling like that I'm not doing enough, people are doing so much work, they are making this much money, they are doing so much, here I am just sitting at home and just cooking. For some of you, you feel like that maybe, but whatever you're doing, right? You're doing something, you're taking care of someone. So be proud of yourself, okay? That is very important. And for some of you, definitely you have this passion of writing poetry that is very strong here. And if you're not giving that, if you don't have an Instagram page, if you're not doing it, start doing it, guys. Start doing it, because you have this quality of writing. Your words are very, very good, very nice. It heals other people. That is what I feel like. And look, again, an ending here with this. Yeah, there is, after an ending comes a new beginning, because with this is graveyard, right? So yeah, so believe in the impossible. For you guys, I feel like, believe in the impossible. And when you believe in the impossible, you make the impossible possible. And in the word impossible also, it's like I am possible, isn't it? So that is what Kali Ma wants you to know, right? Look, again, we have light activation for some of you with this dark. Look, we have the dark Kalima. She's also telling you that you will get out of this dark period to light. And here we have light activation. Shine your light. Your internal guidance is coming through loud and clear. For some of you, as I told, you are the one who is going to give that light to other people through your words, through your videos, through your teachings, or maybe you care to other people. Maybe if I told you small things like a mother. If you're a mother, you're taking care of your children, you're giving that light, you're giving that inspiration to your kids, right? You are very inspiring, I feel like that. So don't sell yourself short. I'm saying it again here. And you can think big, and when you think that big, you will make that thing happen. And for others, if you are going through a struggle period, remember, after the struggle there is a new beginning for you guys. You will move towards light here, from this darker period to light. Definitely you are going to shine, and trust your intuition. And if you're writers, trust, sometimes for some of you, if you meditate, you get a lot of ideas for writing. So write it down. Take a paper. Whenever you feel like writing, take a paper, write it down. You're good at it, guys. And through these ideas, you give so much light to other people. Yeah, we have service. Look at that. I feel good when I can help others. Definitely for some of you, you are the one who are helping other people. But sometimes you feel like that you're not doing enough, you're not helping enough, or you feel like you're just a simple person, that you're not doing anything to the society. Even though you want to do it, you're feeling like, oh, my work is not helping too many people, what I'm doing, don't sell yourself short. This is the third time I'm saying, and I know that, but definitely I have to say that I'm reassuring you that your work is worthy, you are worthy. And so keep on putting your efforts, keep on doing the work you're doing, because you're doing good and you're helping a lot of people, maybe through service. Maybe you are light workers, maybe you give videos, like you do tarot, or maybe you are motivational speaker, or maybe you talk about law of attraction. So keep on doing it, okay? Maybe you have an Instagram page where you post good positive quotes. Just do it. And maybe for some of you, write poetry, and this poetry will help heal people, right? So keep on working. You are helping other people, right? So yeah, playfulness. So we have this playfulness is like Knight of Wands energy. Then we have Three of Pentacles, that is guidance and harmony. Ten of Cups. Look, so you will be appreciated for your work. So that is what I feel. For many of you in this file, your work is not being appreciated, your work is not being recognized, and you're feeling like, why my work is not recognized? I'm doing my best, I am giving my 100%. So your angels wants you to know that yes, you are doing your 100%, but have that playful energy, believe in yourself. Whenever you're doing something, do it with joy, okay, joy. Have some playfulness in your life. All you need to do is that, bring more playfulness into your life, okay. So yeah, for some of you, if you are going, as I told you, going through a darker period, and in this darker period you can write things that that you need to release, right? Do that. Or if you can listen to some good music, do that. Or do some hobby of yours, like painting, whatever heals you, do that, okay. Maybe if you have a small children around you, just play with them, okay. That is very important. And when you do that, you will feel good about yourself. When you do the small things, you feel good about it. You're not here for doing big things. Don't think like that everyone has to do like very big thing. No, maybe your purpose in life is to just help one person, and if you're doing it, it's great, right? So you don't have to think too much. And look, we have guidance here, and we have light activation service. So with this guidance, again I told you, we have number 22. Your angels are around you, they are guiding you. Your intuition is very strong, and remember to trust your intuition, okay. So that is the important thing you need to know right now. Kali Ma is saying, trust it, believe in it, have utter faith. And when you do that, you will be happy. You will be happy with your family. You will be happy within yourself. And when you are happy within yourself, you will make other people happy, okay. When you are proud of your own work, you know, when you put something out there, when you write poetry, have the intention, yes, this is good, and believe in your work. Be confident about your work. Sometimes we self-doubt ourselves, we feel that it is not perfect, we feel that we are not good enough. Let go of all that energy. And whenever you do something, if you are a YouTuber, or if you put a video out there, do it confidently, without self-doubt. What other people will say, no, you don't have to think about anything. All you need to do is, yes, I am happy with my work, and I'm gonna put it, yeah, whatever response it is. If it's good, I will take it. If it's bad, if there is constructive criticism, yes, I can change it, but I don't have to take that negativity, right? So be proud of yourself, be proud of your work. And there is a lot of guidance coming for you guys. You are so guided by your angels, and they are telling, yes, you are seeing a lot, you have gone through this difficult time, but there is light coming for you guys. And yes, be proud of your service. Whatever small thing you give to other people, be proud of that, okay. And look at this dolphins, and playfulness is there. So they're telling you to have more joy in your life. Whatever work you're doing, bring a little bit more joy. So while you're working, if you want to hear some music, hear it, okay. You can like waking up in the morning, having a small dance, yeah, do something that makes you happy. So that is also very important, okay. So that is for group number 1. This is the message for you guys. Take care, guys. Bye bye. Group number 2, if you chose this Bhadragali, then this is your reading with me. Let's see what are the messages, urgent messages from Kali Ma for you guys. Look at that red color. You have a lot of passion, and take action. Take action towards your passion. Instead of worrying, take action, okay. That is the important thing here. Make time for your passion, okay. When you make time for your passion, you will achieve the things you want to achieve in your life. So what feels good to you, make time for that, okay. So when this card comes, it's a very gentle form of Kali Ma. So she is saying that a lot of blessings are going to come into your life. All you need to do is to trust in yourself, trust your own wisdom, trust your own heart right now, and let go of the people who are telling you that you are not worthy. It's their energy. Maybe in the past, when we are children, people sometimes don't encourage us. Maybe our parents also sometimes don't encourage us. Maybe you were very good at drawing, or your handwriting was very nice, or maybe you wanted to do calligraphy or sometime at that time, and people, your parents told that don't waste your time on these things, because this will not give you a good future. And because of that conditioning, you feel like that you are not good enough. You are very good artist, maybe you, for example I'm saying, you whatever work you are doing, you're very good at it, but at the same time you have this conditioning, a past conditioning, that you are not good enough, and that this thing will not give you the blessing, this thing will not give you the finances. And because of that, you sabotage yourself. You think that your work is not perfect, you will never be good enough. So it's time to release all that things, all that negative beliefs that you have about yourself, that has been put onto you in your childhood, right? So that is coming here for you guys. But things are changing, blessings are coming, you're going to manifest your desire. So it's time to let go of the people who are not good to you guys. Okay, so it doesn't mean that you have to prove your point, but if they are saying something negative, just don't take it, release them. That is don't give them energy. That is what is important. Maybe you have to live with the people who are toxic, but you don't have to take their energy. You need to protect yourself, because Kali Ma is here telling you that blessings are manifesting into your life. So all you need to do is trust your heart, release that negative thinking about yourself, believe in yourself, believe in your work, believe in your own soul, in your own believe your heart, right? And do this mirror work also for you guys. I'm like, when you wake up, look into yourself, say some nice words, right? Have a dance, like morning dance, and just love yourself. That is what is Kali Ma saying to you guys. Love your work, love your artwork, whatever you do, love it, and do it with love. Okay, yeah, we have Kyonian here, care and compassion. Choose to be love, do what is right for everyone involved, offer a helping hand. Look, so whatever you're doing enough. Whatever your work is good enough, right? And be nice to yourself. That is what I have to say. For some of you, yeah, you're very hard on yourself. I feel like you judge your work very harshly, because you feel like that is not perfect. Maybe you're very perfectionist or something like that. So yeah, be compassionate to yourself, be compassionate to your own work. Don't judge yourself harshly. Sometimes we do that, and it's time to loosen that up and believe in yourself, believe in your desires. And when you're compassionate to yourself, when you love yourself, definitely your energy is going to be high vibe, and you will be more compassionate to other people also. So fill your own cup and then give it to others. And when you do that, you will be happy. And I feel like this pile is going to be happy. And this message is like, don't sabotage yourself, don't sabotage your own things. Maybe for some of you, it's like you filmed a YouTube video, but you are so afraid to post it because you feel like that you will be criticized or people will not like your work, blah blah blah. Don't do that. Love your do that, post it, whatever the outcome is. It's okay, but you have to think too much about the outcome. Just what your heart says, do it. That is what. And be more compassionate to yourself, and whatever you're doing good. Okay, remember that. And again, you have Kali Ma. So maybe for some of you are working with her, and definitely she is with you, she is guiding you, and she is telling you to face that fears of rejection, right? For some of you have this fear of rejection, that people might reject me, or maybe you feel like that you are not going to have a relationship because you are not beautiful enough, because people in the past might have told you that you are not that color, or people do that to children. I have sometimes people are not that kind. Yeah, through their words. If you see the Instagram page, there are so many people who are not kind, and you don't have to take that energy. That is what Kali Ma is saying. She is with you. You need to trust yourself, take care of yourself, and remember that the way you look, you are beautiful. The way you smile, your smile is beautiful. You don't have to change anything for anyone else. Okay, right? Remember that. And for some of you are like, for some of you, I literally believe that you are transforming. You are like, what I'm feeling like, you are taking out your past self away from you, and you're becoming a new self. And keep on doing that, guys. That is what you're becoming, a new you. You're the new you. You're not the same old anymore. And trust in the divine, trust in yourself, and because the light is within you, right? Remember that. And you have so much of care and compassion. You are, you know, more people like you are needed in this world, I feel like that. Right? So yeah, look, death, yeah, I am learning that endings are merely beginnings. For you, this ending is like your own self, your own past self is like ending. The one who had like jealousy, envy, the person who used to compare your work to other people, or maybe used to sabotage yourself, that is what is ending. With the help of Kali Ma, she is with you. You are spiritually growing, you are evolving, you're believing in yourself more, you're changing from inside. You're not the person anymore, you're not going to be the same person anymore, because the past has gone. The past has gone, you're leaving it behind. Yeah, you're full of love. This, with this moment, I feel like that you're full of love, you're full of you're made with love. You're here to love people, you're here to be kind, and you're here to be kind to yourself, right? And that is what you will be learning, and I feel in the future you will be teaching that to other people. You're going to be balanced, and I'm feeling with this mermaid is all about love, right? Yeah, you are here for love and to be kind to other people. You know, you will uplift other people, right? Yeah, one self of you is completely ending. You are like, I'm getting this ego death also for some of you, like you're completely releasing that thing, you're releasing your past. Look, we have letting go. So for some of you, I definitely believe you're working on that. Look at the cards, like rebirth, letting go, rebirth, and breakthrough. Isn't it? Yes, you're coming, you're loving yourself, you're coming to yourself, you're becoming the best version. You're becoming the person you always wanted to become. Okay, you're living in the present moment. You're understanding that you are not the another person, like you're not the sheep, you are the lion. Right? You have been conditioned, you have been told that you are the sheep, that you are not the lion, you don't have power, you have to work in order to get some money, you have to work, you have to prove yourself every day. No, you don't have to. Right? That is what you're letting go. You're accepting love, you're accepting that divine love, you're becoming whole. Okay, for this pile, it's like you have been doing meditations or what, I don't know, you have been changing your life, right? That is what I feel. You're changing your life completely, guys. Group number 2, that is what Kali Ma is here to say, and the blessings are going to overflow for you guys, and you're going to be the best version of yourself. You're releasing your karma, you are becoming so strong, so courageous. And yes, I'm not saying that there will be no obstacles in your life, but even if there is an obstacle, you will easily able to overcome that and move forward. You are, look at this woman, you are like breaking that barriers, you're breaking your own patterns, you're breaking your sabotage. You're sabotaging, you used to do that, you're breaking away from that pattern, you're breaking your addictions, you're breaking other people. Many people have put that limitation in you, you're breaking that limitation and moving forward in your life, and you are becoming a whole new person. Your past is not your future. You're not going to be just doing the same old. You are the new. Okay, yeah, you're the strong, you're the wow, beautiful, guys. You are protected, you are guided by Kali Ma. Kali Ma is with you, she is protecting you, right? Because we are talking about her, and this card came for you guys. So you're the only one pile that got this card. So yeah, you are protected, you're guided. And look at the colors. We have the red color, right? Red color is all about your passion, your energy that you want to achieve. The root chakra, you're balancing your root chakra, you're balancing all the day-to-day activities, you're balancing your finances, you're balancing your relationships. So yeah, so for some of you, definitely if you're working on your root chakra, keep on working on your root chakra. But the red color is very much strong here. Maybe you're so search for the red color if you want to, like Google search, learn about that. Maybe you will have some message over there. Okay, and I'm getting this number 555. So yeah, maybe you are seeing number 555. So a lot of changes. Yeah, you're going to be the lotus. The lotus, like the environment is muddy, but when it blooms, it's so beautiful. So you have seen a lot of worse things, you have seen a lot of negativity, you maybe your family didn't encourage you, but after all this thing, you are becoming a beautiful lotus flower that is gonna shine, that is gonna bloom. Okay, so that's it for my group number 2. Bye bye, take care. Group number 3, if you chose this Bhuvaneshwari card, then this is your reading. So let's see what are the urgent messages from Kalima. Look at the number 19, right? 19 reduces to 10 and it's like 1, so it's like a new start. So Bhuvaneshwari is all about new start. She is about hope. She is the goddess of blessings. She is the goddess of abundance and fulfillment, right? So if in your life there is something very ugly happening or things are not moving in your favor, with this card have hope, because things are going to be good for you guys. Okay, things are going to become beautiful, right? So sometimes what happen, we work a lot, we give our hard work, and things doesn't go the way we want. But remember, with this card coming here today, you're watching this message, it's saying that trust your intuition. What your intuition is saying to you, if it's saying that everything will be okay, it is going to be okay. Look at the moon here, right? This is also for me, it's about new beginnings, right? She is hope. Bhuvaneshwari is all about hope, and she is saying the new start is here. Let go of your past, and yes, you're going to be happy. For some of you, if you're manifesting your beauty or something, yes, I feel like that maybe you are making some changes in your wardrobe, or maybe you're making some changes in your diet or something like that. It's gonna work for you guys, okay? But definitely the important thing here is your feelings. Your feelings are very important. Your intuition is very important, right? So when Kalima appears, it's like Kalima is Kalima is very destructive, right? She takes away the things that is not ours, that is not good for us, right? But here Bhuvaneshwari, you are going to rebuild things, right? You're going to rebuild things. You're going to for some of you, you might have lost something, you're going to rebuild it. Maybe for some of you, it's your own self-esteem that you're rebuilding. You're becoming strong, you're becoming more hopeful. You are that hope is returning into you. Like you are like, yes, I want to live my life, and my life is going to be good. Like that kind of hope I'm seeing for you guys. You are changing that. You're rebuilding things. Your relationship are going to rebuild. Your career is rebuilding. So whatever area you are little bit not feeling not good or feeling a little bit disappointed, I see that it's going to rebuild for you guys. And with this sound is very important. Your voice is very important. Maybe for some of you, you speak, your thoughts, your ideas are very important, okay? So don't stop that. The work you're doing, don't stop, because it's healing other people. And maybe for some of you sing, okay? And if you are singers, keep on singing, because your voice is beautiful, your voice is healing. And for some of you, it's all about the frequency, right? When we meditate, when we listen to the meditation music, it's all about frequency, and it lifts your frequency. So listen to meditation music will, you will come to a very high state, elevated state, we say. So music will help you achieve that state. So music is going to be very important for you guys. Maybe sound, something related to sound. When you listen to music, maybe you're creative, you will get very creative, you will get a lot of creative ideas, right? So that is also quite possible. So music is going to be very important. Your feelings, listen to your feelings, right? That is very important for you guys. That is what I felt for you guys. The feelings are very important, okay? So next card, you have the season of 13th moon. Okay, this card, it's like trust in your own magic, right? With this card, look at the numbers. We have 7 plus 8, 9, and again we had this 9 here. We had like 9 is also about completion, right? So it's time to trust in yourself. Maybe you lost something. I feel like you have lost something, or you feel like you have a sense of disappointment somewhere, okay? Just trust in the unknown. Right now you don't know where your future is leading, but with this Bhuvaneshwari coming here, trust in the unknown, because there are magical things happening for you guys. Trust in your own voice, trust in your own capabilities, trust in your own creative talents, okay? Sometimes we feel like that you might have gone through a little bit of disappointments, I feel like that, and so you're not, look again, the next card is all about your gifts. right? So maybe you're not trusting in your gifts because you feel like that you're not. Sometimes we feel like that, right? That our gifts are not so great or something like that, or maybe you believed in yourself and you didn't get the result you expected, and that broke you down. But here again, look at that, we have the moon here again, right? Interesting. Maybe you're cancers or what, or maybe your life path number is 6. I don't know, but definitely I'm getting you are you love to take care of people. And what I feel like, it's like, believe in the unknown, because in the unknown there is so much. You don't have to know everything right now. Kalima is saying you don't have to know everything right now. I believe in the unknown. For at least today, if you're seeing this message, if you don't know what your future is, where your future is heading, believe that your future is going to be beautiful. With this Bhubaneswari coming here, you don't have to think too much about your future. Maybe you're like little bit overthinkers, or maybe you think, oh, what I'll become in my future, how this is going to span out, oh, if I work today on this thing, whether this will give me that financial gain. You overthink a lot. Instead of overthinking, believe in that unknown has a lot of blessings for you guys. And yes, you have lot of gifts, you have lot of talent. For some of you, you feel like that you're not talented enough. No, that's wrong. Believe in your talents, guys, because unleash your spirit, express your gifts, dance to the sacred rhythm of life, right? Music is very important, like listening to music, dancing. Whenever you're feeling stressed, do that. Dance to the music, listen to meditation music. That will raise your vibration, that will raise your frequency. That is important, okay? And yes, you have this creative abilities, lot of creative things I'm seeing for you guys. Maybe for some of you, you even have spiritual gifts, okay? Trust yourself, trust your intuition. Your first spiritual gift, I feel like your intuition is very, very strong. Yeah, you don't know how things are going to go for you in the future, but you know that everything will be all right. In your gut, you feel that everything is going to be all right. So believe in that, okay? Yeah, karma releasing. Yes, you have released so much. You have released your past. You have so there is nothing in your past, so don't cling on to your past. That is important. Make room for good energy, okay? Trust in yourself, have faith, because there is a goddess of abundance for you guys. So your wishes are going to be fulfilled. So don't be so afraid about the unknown. Keep on moving forward with your goals, with your desires. Keep on working. If you're working on your spiritual gifts, keep on doing that. Believe in it. And with this bird also, I'm feeling lot of purity, lot of things that are not serving you. That is, you have already released that the things that are not serving you, and you're rebuilding your self. I feel like you're rebuilding your self-esteem, you're rebuilding yourself, okay? And the things that you don't want, you're just letting it go. So yeah, you're letting go of the relationship that was not serving you. Interestingly, you have this moon here also. So this moon so you just yeah, this phase of moon is going to be very important for you guys. I feel like it, okay? Yeah, it's crescent moon, I feel like that. Okay, not so sure about this. So yeah, but it's like the new stage of the moon, the beginning of the moon, right after the new moon, I feel like. So yeah, I can be wrong on that, but but definitely there is new start. You're releasing your past baggages, your past karma. Your karma is balancing. So now it's like the time to reap your rewards, to rebuild things, right? So yeah, so stay away from the people who are not so good to you, or maybe they like to create a drama. So keep your energy protected, okay? That is very important. Empathy, yeah, I am open to seeing both sides of a situation. With this empathy card, I also feel like you're very empathetic to other people. You take on other people's energy. So maybe that is also here coming, like make room for good energy. Maybe you take other people. So it's important you protect your energy, okay? And yeah, so don't judge yourself very harshly, okay? If you don't judge you by your past or something like that, or maybe by your futures. Yeah, beauty things, sometimes we judge that, oh, we don't have this much hair. Yeah, don't judge yourself. Be kind to yourself and others also. I'm sure you're very kind to other people, because I feel you are very empathetic people. So yeah, there is nothing in the past. Yeah, you're letting go of the past. Don't cling to the past. Balance that. If there was a relationship that that took you, sometimes relationship takes so much from us, and it's hard for us to let go of it completely, but you can. And it's time to release that. Look 5, because there is so much more. There is new things, new hope. You are going to rebuild a lot of good things in your life that you want, and avoid the things that you don't want, right? And remember, yeah, sometimes, we cannot, I'm getting this puzzle. Sometimes life is a puzzle, okay? We cannot know everything, yeah, but at the correct time, we will know our answers, okay? So don't be so stressed to know everything now. So yeah, yeah, maybe some of you feel that you need to know everything now. If you want to start a project, you will like, how this will work out, you need to know everything and then on you will start. So don't be like that, okay? So yeah, sometimes we will not have every answer, but you have a lot of awareness within you. You know that, sometimes we know that, yeah, this will work for us. So just go with that. Like literally, we look at that change is coming in your life. Look, we have again the balance. The karma is balancing. I'm getting this yin and yang energy. The things are balancing for you guys. So the past, I feel, for many of you, maybe I'm getting this is just a specific message. Maybe for some of you, you got into a relationship that was not good, and because of this relationship, you lost a lot of good friends in your life. Maybe, yeah, I feel like you will be getting rid of the relationship, that you're getting rid of the things that is not good in your life and rebuilding the things that you that are good for you guys. Maybe you will release this person and you will be connecting with your friends again, or connecting with the people who love you again. That is also, I feel like, okay, you're making good energy, like you are vibing with the people who vibe with you, right? You're not going to be with some narcissist people who are toxic. You're releasing all these kind of energy, okay? Yeah, that is what I feel. Yeah, your past is not you. You are not defined by your past. Yeah, everyone has their lessons. You have learned your lessons. I'm getting this for this pile. There are good people around you. You are going to manifest more good people, okay? And don't stress too much about the unknown, because all you need to trust is yourself. Trust your feelings. If you're feeling good about something, just take action on it, okay? Things are going to change for you guys, definitely, with this karma releasing. Yeah, a lot of blessings, a lot of abundance. Yeah, so that's all I have for group number 3. Bye bye, take care.